Mopay pat misay nanginginanot iya anak ko mopay kabutang. Having financial challenges this year and was not able to have my nails done this year taught me a lesson. There are far more important things that I have to prioritize. I've been watching Lila Mosey, and she is one of my inspiration. Medyo garagal pa yung boses ko ngayon. And kanina, syempre, stress na naman tayo dahil na nagbabudget tayo. Okay, sige. Kwentuhan ko kayo. Bill is 2K, and then yung neighbor namin nagbigay ng 600 kasi nakakonect sila sa amin. But during that time, both of us were not able to work because siya nagkasakit siya. So, mga halos 1 week siyang absent. Yung stepfather ng kids ko. My current partner. Ako naman, nag-pause muna yung client ko. So, saan ako hugot ang pera? So, ano yung bibili ko ng stuff? I don't have savings. As you can remember, I was scammed. I don't have anything left. So, what the money that I have right now is kung ano yung pumapasok sa income ko. As sa pag-edit, sa mga local na social media, yan yung income ko. And hindi po yan malaki. For the past few years, we've been investing on businesses. And these businesses, parang suntok sa buwan, laging ginagawa namin, suntok sa buwan, we have debts, and they were huge. But now, unti-unti na sila nababawasan. Yung meron na lang yung mga maliliit na debts like 2K, 3K, 4K, 5K, yun na lang yung mga debts namin. Good thing, some of the stuff that I should be doing have been done. Now, hindi pa nagpapadala yung father nila. Hindi pa. Anong araw na? This is December 16. And meron pang mga bonus na dumaan na hindi rin siya nagbigay. Good thing na lang talaga na I have good friends. Shout out to Gladys. She actually, she bought Jollibee chicken for my kids the other day, and I was so shocked na galing pa siyang ibang lupalop ng, oy, the rice, kuya. Ibang lupalop ng Pilipinas. May multo sa likod ko. Galing pa siyang ibang lupalop ng Pilipinas, pero nakapag-food panda siya. Ayan. Tapos, eto pa. Ibig sabihin kung gusto, may paraan. Eto pa. Si Joyce. Ayan, shoutout kay Joyce. Say, thank you. Thank you, Tita Joyce. Say, thank you,
Tita Joyce.
Yes, she is the one who paid for your haircut. Come here. Show Tita Joyce your haircut. Just show your head. Yan, kasi. Oh.
Hello.
Hello. Just show your haircut. Come here, show your haircut. Show your haircut. Come here.
Hey, I'll tell you something.
Yes. Yes. And then, thank you. Thank you so much, Joyce. Kasi, nagawang ko ng parang yung mga gifts din. So, parang ano rin. And also, we actually are getting by. Why? Because of my partner. So, I thank, Saito and also Lapsing for trusting our skills. My partner's skills for cooking and my skills for social media marketing. So I'm very, very grateful for the people who actually help us. And yun lang. So I'm very thankful din sa mga naging client ko kay Sir James na nasa Ormoc pa talaga. Yung mga ibang tao pa talaga minsan yung mga nagiging client mo, no? So, ano pa? Sina Zel, yung mga umorder sa akin, yung mga sina Wani, sina Nelson, yun yung mga dapat ko pasalamatan. Nagpapasalamat lang ako. So, yung sabi ko sa akin, as I mentioned kanina, Layla Hermosi mentioned na, you do not forget who was there, especially if they were there for you nung nung mga times na mas need mo yun, kahit hindi, even if you didn't ask for it. So ano pa, Venus, ayan, si Venus, si Auntie, yung Auntie Cathy, Auntie Glo, ayan, yung the people who actually noticed that you are suffering but you are not asking for help. So, alam mo yun, parang sila Kuya Albert, ayan, parang nakakashock lang na, ha? Someone will DM you and then I'm not asking for help. Me posting on social media is me ranting, is me nagpapakita ako ng totoong ako na ito yung nangyayari ngayon. This is the reality. This is what's happening. So, yon, isa sa mga dapat kong pasalamatan din. Si papa ko minsan nag-ano siya sa akin. Minsan nararamdaman niya na, uy, kailangan na ng tapik nito. Ayan, so, nagbibigay ng manok minsan. And, sino pa? Si mama, ayan, nagbibigay din minsan sa kanila, sa mga apo niya. Pero, it's not big, but still, at least, naalala ko. Alam mo yun? Kesa yun naman yung meron dyang di nakakaalala, di ba? Alam mo yun? Ayan, so, malaking pasasalamat din ako sa mother ng partner ko na kahit we are not blood relatives, kahit hindi niya itong mga totoong apo, she's there. She's always supportive of us. Kahit na hindi ako humingi ng tulong, they are there. She's like a light in the tunnel na basta Nanay Nympha, thank you. Ayan, so parang napaka-grateful ko sa mga tao na who is with you. Also, if you're listening or if you see my posts, I have guests. I thank my guests sa Dream Radio, sa Unmute. Ayan, salamat. Kasi you still trust me, my interview skills. Interview skills. Tapos nagpapasalamat lang ako na even despite my situation na I'm not doing well, but I will soon because I know. So anyway, they still believe sa skills ko. They still believe on my skills. So I'm very grateful. Ayan, they trust me with my craft na ako yung mag-i-interview sa kanila. It's such an honor. So thank you so much guys for accepting these interviews. Also, thank you to Flor de Luna. Yan, Brad, salamat sa mga word of wisdom mo. Maraming salamat kay God. Ayan. Thank you, Lord. You're watching over me. You're not making me these struggles. I believe that these struggles are to shape me for who I'm going to be in the future. And I know I am going to be someone great because I have these great plans that involves the Filipino people. Wow! And I thank you. No, I'm planning to create businesses which will create more small businesses and more jobs to more people. Because yun lang yun hatakan pataas lang tayo, tulong-tulungan lang tayo dito para tayo umangat. Alam mo yun? So, yun yung nasa mind ko. Alam mo yun? Ayan, so, maraming salamat din. Shout out kay Christian nga pala, nag-chat sa akin. She will provide for my nails. Oh, wow! Provide for my nails. Actually, last week pa yan, gusto niya akong ilibre na sa nails niya. Shout out! Thank you so much. Ayan. So, ano ba? Kay Charlie. Bex, yung mga nakatrabaho ko sa EPER, mga nakatrabaho ko sa BPO Radio. Thank you so much guys for checking up on me. Kina sa mga sa Nakshi ko, RC, ayan, sa team Tagay, Bangers, gano'n. Sa team Bossing, ayan, sina Van, sina Gerald, kayo dyan lahat, ayan. Kina Doc, ayan, Doc, nasa Palawan ngayon. Sa otaku community ko, especially sa abroad, ayan, daming nag-reach out sa akin. So, yeah, my lips are, ewan ko if nakikita niya, pero, ano na siya, completely healed na siya, medyo chapped lang siya, medyo pa, kulang lang yan sa, tara! Ayan, kay Sita, thank you sa mag-invite sa amin this upcoming December 19. I don't know what I'm going to bring, but I'm definitely gonna bring the kids because this is going to be a core memory for them. They need to be exposed to more happy moments, happy memories, because they have been here in the house, stuck with me and my, and my unhealed childhood trauma. And my financial stress. So, ayoko na, lagi na lang yun yung namin dito sa bahay. Ano mo yun? So far, okay naman kami dito. Masaya kami. Pero, may times talaga kapag tight yung budget, tapos nagsasabay-sabay, na-stress talaga ako at naapektuhan ko rin yung mga bata. Kasi, syempre, ikaw, i-smile ka na, i-stress ka na, dinabaliw ka na, bungaw ka ba? Ganon. Basta, I'm only thankful and grateful for those who are there, who were there, who actually cared. Because I don't care if you didn't actually care. Alam mo yun? What is that, my love?
Calcium.
Calcium. Okay. So, yun lang. Tatanaw lang ako ng utang na loob in the future para doon lamang sa mga tao na hindi ko man lang hiningan or kung hiningan ko man konti lang. Konti lang. Tatanaw ako ng utang na loob para lang doon sa totoo. Tunay. Kasi kasi ayoko na masayang yung oras ko, panahon ko para sa mga tao na gagamitin lang yung skills ko, gagamitin lang ako, gagamitin lang yung kabaitan ko, yung pera ko para sa sa kanila lang. Tas wala na. Parang wala nang pake. Alam mo yun, di man lang nangumusta. So, surround yourself with people whose lives you like, whose lives you're inspired. Kasi kapag you're surrounding yourself, you are what you surround yourself with, who you surround yourself with. Kasi that's from Lila Hinose. So yeah, I really want to start surrounding myself with people who actually give support. And yan, mention ko na rin dito yung Today Ads family ko. Kilala nyo na kung sino kayo, Today Ads family. You guys are the best. Sorry, Him, Floor, sino pa? Faith. Faith is the main person na laging nagsusupport sa akin. Sa mga pinsan ko naman, si Ate Mitch, ayan, si Ate Mitch, sa lahat ng commenters ko, mga Facebook friends ko, virtual friends, personal friends, na may pake. Kasi, kailangan kong mag-give back sa inyo in the future. And I know who gave a shit when I didn't have anything. So, when I was at my lowest, when I was ranting, I knew who reacted. I knew each and every one. With the wheel! So, yan. Pupunta na siya sa work. Yan. Shout out sa mga riders. Tsaka kay Kuya Daniel, kay Kuya Michael. Ayan. Shout out sa inyo. Isa kaya sa one of those people who helped me. Yeah. So kung hindi kita na-mention dito, sorry, pero I'm just speaking out of, out of my mind. Mga listeners ko, yan, sa Dream. Ayan, kay Renelyn, sa lahat ng mga nagsusuporta sa show ko, na, bumabangon tayo, pero slowly but surely, sina Andre, who's always tagging me on baby metal music. Thank you. Ano pa? Kuya Elmer, thank you so much. So, I've learned a lot of lessons from Layla. Hermosi. So, tinuro niya sa akin na learn to say no. So, I'm a very well-known people pleaser na kapag meron ako, especially nung mga times na meron ako, like, I earn like 100k to 300k every month, na bigay ako ng bigay, but now I realize, those people who I actually parang hindi ko lagi silang napapansin because they are within my level. Within my level talaga. Siyempre, lahat kami umi-income talaga eh. So, parang they are the ones who's gonna help you. So, the people who you actually lifted up, you've used you, we're the ones who's gonna ignore you pala. Yun lang. Anyway, Merry Christmas. Maraming salamat. I don't know if maiintindihan to ng clients ko sa US, but thank you so much to my US clients as well. And my upcoming US clients is this 2026. I'm very thankful. And I'm changing. Okay? Also, sa father ng kids, see you in court. So if you're not gonna give the kids anything this Christmas or this upcoming birthday of your eldest, it doesn't matter. Kasi, hindi ako yung mawawalan, actually, ikaw. Kasi I always let my children know, your children know, kung nagpapadala ka o hindi. Now, I'm open to them na you never sent anything yet. So yeah, it's your loss, not theirs. Your loss. Especially in the near future. We will see. Also nga pala, sa mga kumpare ko, mga beer kada, ayan. Kay Mads, ayan, pasensya na, hindi tayo nagkakaanuhan talaga. Pero tight kami niya ni Mads. Nung naflatan kami ng e-bike, at nung panahon na depressed ako back in 2018, siguro, I slept. Doon ako sa kanila natulog. Tapos, nangyari ulit. Although, naflatan lang naman kami ng e-bike. So, dati yun. Dati pa. Last year ba yun? O this year lang. This year lang siguro nung naglilipat bahay kami. Nangyari yun. Na naflatan kami ng e-bike. So, maraming salamat kay Mads. And kay Donis. Ayan. So, sa iba ko namang mga kumare dyan, this is Christmas, be. Christmas po ay hindi cash lang. Before I was able to do so, yeah, I was able to give, but for the past few years, since I started business, hindi ibig sabihin na porket nag-business tayo ay dumoble yung pera natin. No. No. It's a trial and error. Dami naming investan. Tapos may mga binentahan pa kami ng business plans na nag-work out yung business sa kanila. Which means, wala lang talaga kaming pangkapital. We had the business plan, but we didn't have the money for it. So, yeah, I'm just putting this out there na mga kumare ko, mga kumpare ko, hindi porket na may business ako, ibig sabihin nun ay mayaman na ako. Sa totoo lang, aminin ko sa inyo, which is lagi ko naman talaga sinasabi, open naman ako, I'm an open book kind of person, na wala akong, hindi ako, tawag dyan? Iba lang yung money ng kids sa money ko. Yung money ng kids ay yung pinapadala ng papa nila. Yun yung binabudget ko sa food nila. My food is different from their food. Romel's food is different because he eats, as I always mention, he eats sa work. And we order takeout. Because, hindi naman we order takeout na noodles. Ano mo yun? Yung, parang pag we order takeout, parang social, no? No. Hindi siya, we order takeout na 500 plus, 200 plus. No, we order like, yung mga, yung mga meat like fish ball and all na hindi na namin kaya bumangon pa at magpunta pa ng merkado kasi mag-aasikaso pa. Girl, hindi mo alam yung time schedule namin. Yung time schedule namin, gabi kami gising, umaga tulog kami. Kaya kailangan, basta by the time na umabot na ng alas 10, alas 11, dapat tulog na kami niyan. Bakit? Naasikaso na namin yung kids niyan. We are a tag team here. So, my point is scarce. We are scarce right now. Scarcity. We are not broke, but we don't have enough yet. You know? May mararamdaman mo naman kapag meron ako eh. You know that. I always have gifts. I always have stuff. I don't want to count. Hindi ako mahilig magkwenta kasi. Pero, yun lang. Yung ano ko lang is, shut up. Shut the up. Okay? Kapag wala akong maibigay, I'm sorry. Iyon pala yung pagiging ninong-ninang. Oh my God. Pero kung meron, well, I'm actually glad na meron kasi it's Christmas, you know. It's gonna make them remember me. Remember me, Coco. It's gonna make them remember me that someone loves them, someone remembered them, and it's a big deal kasi I only had like 2, 3 ninong at ninangs na naaalala ko. Ninong Oyo, Pedrosa, siya lang yung pinaka generous, 'di ba? Siya lang yung parang lagi kong naaalala. Ano pa? So, yun. Hindi ako humihingi. I never ask for my ninongs. Bigla na lang magbubulat-lat ng pera yan si Ninong Zoilos. Bibigyan ako ng 500, 1K. Bigla akong ititreat. Tapos nung ako na yung nagkaroon ng maluwag-luwag doon, syempre, trinit ko rin siya sa rib shack. O, rib house. Basta, ano mo yun, nung nagkaroon ako ng money. Nung kasaganaan ko. Ay, ano nga pala. Every Monday to Thursday pala yung show ko sa 104.7 Dream Radio. It's from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Oh my gosh, the time is ticking. So I'm still waiting for Prime Water. Tingnan mo, naririnig mo. Pagkatulo lang ang awas. Also, ano pa? May bibilhin pa ako. May bibilhin pa ako. Oo. Bibili pa ako ng, Santa Nanay. Oh my gosh, ang mahal ng request ng anak ko. RC Plane, tag 3K, 3,000. Be! Ang Noche Buena na natin. Charot. Ano pa? Shoutout nga pala sa Larab community. Oo. Thank you so much for trusting my craft. Next year will be different because next year it's not BJ Senpai anymore. Charot! It's BJ Senpai. Charot! Kimi. Ayan. So, thank you. The universe works as a mirror. Alam mo yun, na parang hindi porket bigay ako ng bigay ay babalik sa akin ng triple, quadruple. Hindi. Because it's a mirror. If you feel na, wala na ako ng pera. Hindi ko na to kaya. If you say that, you're brain actually functions and send waves to the universe, and the universe says, oh nga no, mahirap no, okay, mahirap. So yun, bumalik lang sa'yo, so it's a mirror. It's not a morality na ganyan-ganyan. Although I believe in karma. I believe in karma pa rin. Anyway, so yun. Point ko is, magko-comment ka pa talaga. Comment ka pa talaga. Baka unahin ko muna bayaran yung mga utang ko bago ako makapagbayad sa mga utang ko sa mga inaanak ko if you think that's an utang. Mas hinahanap ko patuloy yung hindi ko mahagilap kaysa sa mga magpi-PM sa akin na, yung inaanak mo. As if you're my responsibility. My God. Being ninong is it's definitely not about cash. It's about being there. I will be there for them in the future. Mark my word, I will be there for them when they need my advice, when they need to sleep over, or I don't know if they need legal help because I will become an attorney in the future. You don't know my plans. Anyway, I don't wanna spoil anyone with whatever's going to happen in the future because that's the future. We live in the now. So yeah. Sinasabi ko lang na there's more to being a ninong at ninang. It's not just cash. It's not just material stuff. It's being the moral support, being there physically in times na kailangan yung in your absence. Alam mo yun, hirap i-explain kasi. Mukhang pera ka kasi. Anyway, mukhang pera din naman ako, pero nakikiramdam din naman ako. Okay. May show ako mamaya. So, watch, guys. I will be in Dream Radio 104.7. Nood kayo. Nood kayo ng live ko sa TikTok. Biglang ganun. Nood kayo ng live ko sa TikTok. I will be live. I'll try to be live every day. Pero, for now, every other week lang muna. Or every week lang muna. Once a week, twice a week. Kasi I'm just starting to go live selling sa TikTok. So, yun. Bye.